Good morning, I'm AJ Walker with your Fox 47 weather. In our weather headlines today, we have closer to normal temperatures on the way. We have some snow showers that will move in tonight, and we have several days of isolated snow showers that are going to be popping up next week. For your dog walking forecast, temperatures are in the 20s as you're heading out the door this morning. We eventually top out in the low 30s, but it's going to be feeling a lot colder than that. So if you're heading out at 10 a.m., the temperature will be about 24 degrees at that time, but it will only be feeling like 12 degrees. And when we get to our high temperature for today of 31, it's only going to feel like 21 degrees out there. So the best we can do, feels like temperature-wise, is the 20s. Now, the winds are going to be gusting in the 20s all day today, upper 20s. Here's 10 o'clock, and they are gusting well into the upper 20s for the 10 o'clock hour, and they will stay in those upper 20s for our wind gusts throughout the day. But look at tonight. Here's 9 o'clock tonight, and the wind start gusting in the 30s tonight. So yeah, it's going to be a very windy day, and that is going to be making it feel like a lot colder than it actually is. So there is some risk for frostbite when you start to see that, but the bigger risk is going to be for tomorrow. Here's our feels like temperatures for the next few days all the way through Wednesday. Tomorrow we're only going to be feeling like 7 degrees, and so that's a moderate risk for some frostbite. If you're out there, it only takes about 30 minutes to set in. Now here's what we're tracking on our futurecast. A couple of sprinkles of snow popping up in some neighborhoods for the 9 o'clock hour. Other than that, just a widespread cloudy conditions. And then we get to 9 o'clock tonight, and that's when we start to see those snow showers moving in, impacting quite a few of our neighborhoods, actually. But we get to midnight, it's done. It's transitioned east, in comes the clouds, and we dry out. And then for Sunday, we're just looking at an isolated snow shower that could pop up here or there. But overall, the big day for precipitation is today. After that, the chances drop way low. You're just looking at some isolated snow showers to be popping up. Today we'll top out at 30 degrees. We've got those snow showers moving in tonight. Winds out of the southwest at 13 miles an hour, but they'll be gusting in the 30s at some points today. And then for overnight, we're going to see the temperature drop down to an overnight low of 19 degrees with winds out of the west at 13 miles an hour. Still even very late going to be gusting in the 20s. And then for tomorrow, we'll see a high temperature of just 25 degrees because we've got a cold front that's going to be moving in. But it's going to be partly cloudy out, so we will get to enjoy some sunshine. And we're going to see sunshine on Monday as well. It's going to be a windy day on Monday, so that's why that looks all like, oh, what is that? That's the wind we're showing you there. So it's going to be a windy day on Monday, but the temperatures are going to be back into the 30s, and we're going to be getting a lot of sunshine on Monday. And the temperature will stay in those 30s even through Tuesday, and then by Wednesday, we get back into the 20s, and that's kind of where we stick around until we rebound again next Friday. So that's going to do it right now for your Fox 47 weather. I'll let you get back to our news.